Sorry, I'm really sorry.
You broke it! You broke my favorite robot!
That's enough, right?
No! Sorry doesn't fix
Wait,
it.
is sorry really not enough?
Look! My robot can walk now.
Cool. Can it catch a ball?
No, Jack. Be careful near it.
No! Anna, I didn't mean to.
It's broken. It's all broken.
It was an accident, Anna.
That was my favorite toy.
Okay, I'm sorry. There.
You don't even mean it.
I said the words. What else?
What happened in here?
It was an accident. Anna, honey, are you okay?
He broke my robot, Mom.
I see that. Your feelings are hurt.
And he only said sorry really fast.
Jack, did you say sorry? Was that a real apology?
What do you mean, real apology?
Sorry is not enough, Jack.
But I said the words. I meant it.
The robot is damaged. Anna is hurt.
I know. I feel guilty, okay?
Feeling guilty is a good start. What is happening in here?
She will not forgive me.
He is not really sorry. I am still upset.
But I said sorry already.
Anna, can you tell us how you feel?
That robot was my favorite. Grandma gave it to me.
Oh, I did not know that. It was an accident, Anna.
Accidents still hurt, Jack.
She is right about that.
What else can I say?
Sorry does not fix broken.
Then what do you want from me?
Good question, Jack.
You are thinking too long.
I am a serious thinker. I want to trust you again.
You can trust me, Anna.
Then show me. Do not just say it.
I already said sorry! What more do you want? Jack, stop. Right now.
Look at your sister, Jack. I am sorry. You keep saying that word. Let us all take a breath. Shouting does not help anyone.
I know. I am sorry for that too.
Anna, how did that make you feel?
It made me feel unheard.
That is a very honest answer. Saying sorry is not enough, Jack.
Then, what is enough?
That is what we need to find out.
I want to make this right.
Do you really mean it?
I think I do. But how?
So what does a real apology look like?
That is a big question, Anna. Let us find the answer together.
I said sorry already.
Saying it is not enough.
Then what do you want?
Look at it, Jack. It is broken into pieces.
I know. I saw it fall.
Anna, how do you feel?
Hurt.
Tell me why. I am listening.
Dad gave me that robot. It was my favorite thing.
I did not mean to break it. I already said sorry. What more do you want from me?
Jack. Look at her face. I did not mean to yell. Sorry is just one word, Jack.
But I really meant it.
Did your actions show that? I feel really guilty.
Guilty is not the same as sorry.
Let us talk this through calmly.
Okay, I will listen.
Can sorry become real?
Sorry needs more than words. Actions must follow your apology.
What kind of actions?
Jack, you okay?
Not really, Dad.
Come sit with me.
I heard what happened. I said sorry, Dad. I know. But let me tell you something. I made a big mistake once. You did? A serious one, like yours.
What did you break?
Something important to my brother.
What was it?
I broke this.
That photo is cracked.
I dropped it. By accident.
Whose photo was it?
My brother's. His only copy.
Did he feel hurt?
Yes. Very hurt.
Did you say sorry?
I did. Right away. But he was still upset.
Even after sorry?
Sorry alone was not enough. I washed his car. For 1 whole month.
1 month? Every day?
Every single day, yes. Actions show you are sincere.
So words are not enough?
Not always. Actions build trust.
I feel guilty.
Do you really mean it?
I do. I am responsible.
Understanding is the first step.
I want to make it right.
That is my boy.
How do I fix this, Dad?
There are 3 steps, Jack.
Can Jack really fix it?
Jack, let me tell you something.
What is it, Dad?
A story from my past. When I was young, I made a mistake.
What kind of mistake?
I broke something important.
What is that, Dad?
A photo.
Why is it cracked?
I dropped my father's favorite trophy.
You broke it?
Yes. Into many pieces.
Just like my accident today.
Exactly like yours, Jack.
What did you do, Dad?
I just said sorry. Very fast.
Was that enough?
No. Grandpa was still hurt.
So sorry didn't fix the feelings?
Grandpa was upset?
Not on its own, no. He felt I didn't really mean it.
Did you mean it, Dad?
I thought I did, but my actions showed nothing. Words alone are not enough.
Then what is enough, Dad?
Actions, Jack. Your actions must show it. I also hid under my bed for 1 hour.
Under the bed? Really, Dad?
Can you find a real apology?
I think I understand now, Dad. But will he really try? Cindy, you are here. I heard someone needs help today. Yes, please come in. So, what happened here?
Jack broke Anna's toy robot.
And the apology? How did it go? I said sorry. Right away.
But it did not feel real.
That is a very important feeling, Anna. A real apology has 3 steps.
3 steps? Really?
Yes. Let me show you all. Step 1. Say it. Say sorry sincerely.
I did say sorry.
But did you mean it, Jack? Step 2. Mean it. Show your feelings.
That is the hard part, right?
Yes. Words must match your heart. Step 3. Fix it. Take action.
Like fixing my robot?
Exactly. Actions speak louder than words.
That was so silly, Cindy.
That is the wrong way, yes.
What is the right way then?
The right way is calm and honest.
Say it, mean it, fix it.
Yes! You already know it, Jack. Let us practice. Brown, you try first.
Me? Oh no, I am not ready.
Go, Brown! You can do it!
Sophia, I am truly so sorry.
That bow is too much.
I forgive you, my dramatic husband. So, Jack, are you ready to try?
I think yes, I am ready. Will he really use all 3 steps?
Step 1. Say it.
Just say sorry?
Say it clearly. Mean every word. A real apology has 3 steps. Say it, mean it, fix it.
That is hard to remember.
Watch this. Wrong example first.
A wrong example?
This should be funny. Step 1. Mean your words. Step 2. Understand the hurt.
The toy was special to me. I did not think about that.
Step 3. Take action. Fix it.
Actions and words.
So, I have to do something?
Okay, let us be serious now.
I am ready. I mean it.
I am listening, Jack.
A real apology comes from the heart.
Not just the words?
The words must be honest and sincere. Say it, mean it, fix it.
Will he really do all 3?
Jack, are you brave enough?
I think I am ready now.
Will he really use all 3 steps?
I didn't mean to break it. It was an accident. I'm truly sorry.
Do you really mean it?
Anna, can I talk to you?
Fine. I'm listening.
I mean it this time.
I broke your robot. That was my fault.
I know. It made me very sad.
I understand your feelings, Anna.
But sorry isn't enough.
I know. I have to fix it.
Jack, that's so much!
I want to help replace your robot.
You didn't have to do this.
Yes, I did. I take responsibility. Actions speak louder than words.
Cindy taught you that, right?
That's right. That was all me. She's a good teacher.
The best teacher.
I broke your robot. That was my fault.
Yes, it hurt my feelings.
I know. I'm really sorry, Anna. I didn't mean to break it.
I know it was an accident.
but accidents still cause damage. I understand that now.
Hold this part still.
Got it. Don't move. They are doing it together.
Is the glue dry yet?
Almost. Just wait.
I am so excited!
I must see this closely.
Dad, you are so silly.
He never changes.
It works! It actually works!
That is incredible!
We fixed it! I missed you, robot.
Are you happy, Anna?
Yes, really happy. Jack, I want to say something.
I'm listening. Go ahead.
I forgive you. I really do.
Thank you, Anna. That means everything.
You really meant it this time.
My heart is so full.
You both did something hard today.
It was hard, but worth it.
Forgiving feels good too.
Sorry is just the start. Actions show you really mean it.
Actions speak louder than words.
Jack, your coins are everywhere.
Oh no, I forgot those.
The most expensive sorry ever.
Next time, be more careful.
With my things and yours.
A real apology takes courage.
And 3 steps. And a piggy bank. But what if telling the truth is really scary?
That sounds like our next problem. And our next big lesson.
It still has a crack.
Yeah, I'm really sorry about that.
But you helped fix it.
Yes, they did it!
Watch the juice, Brown.
Right, sorry. I mean it.
How do you feel now, Anna?
Happy. And a little proud.
Me too, honestly.
Jack, what did today teach you?
Sorry needs actions, not just words.
That is exactly right, son. Say it, mean it, fix it.
3 steps. I remember.
Actions speak louder than words.
Mr. Bear also needs fixing.
Did I break him too?
No, but practice is good.
I'm glad I said sorry, really sorry.
I'm glad I forgave you.
Trust is back. That's what matters.
But what if telling the truth hurts someone? That sounds like our next lesson.
And our next big adventure together.